advance. Leave the doubts upon the shore. Open up a brand new door. Feel the rhythm in your soul. Every heartbeat makes you whole. Step by step, don't turn around. New beginnings can be found. Lift your eyes, embrace the day. Let your spirit find its way. Every mountain can be climbed with a hopeful heart and mind. Break out, break out. Let your light shine all around. Break out, break out. Stand your feet on solid ground. One love leading every stride. Hope and courage by your side. Winds may blow and rains may fall, still we answer every call. Through the valleys, over hills, faith and kindness stronger still. Share your blessings, lend a hand. Together we can heal the land. Every dream begins to grow when we let our true hearts show. Let the reggae rhythm roll. Lift the body, free the soul. Every voice can sing as one underneath the same bright sun. Hey, break out, break out. Leave the fear and walk in peace. Break out, break out. Let the joy and laughter increase. From the mountains to the sea, love will be our victory. Rise up. Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, la, 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 la. Hello, sunshine. Good vibes. Hello, sunshine, light my way. Wake my spirit with a brand new day. Golden morning on the open sea. Every little breeze sets my soul free. Birds keep singing in the tallest tree. Melody. Every heartbeat finds the groove. To the reggae rhythm we all move. Leave the worries far behind. Fill your heart with peace of mind. so sweet. Neighbors smiling as they pass, building futures that will last. Mountains standing proud and high, clouds go drifting through the sky. Every blessing, great or small, there's enough to share with all. Let the bassline carry us, gentle rhythms full of trust. Raise your voice beneath the blue, every dream can still come true. Hello sunshine, warm and bright, guide us with your golden light. Hello sunshine, stay a while, fill the world with every smile. One heart, one love, hand in hand, together we'll heal every land. Hello sunshine, keep on shining, God bless every day. Fade away. Yeah, yeah. Oh, I want to know, so guide me. Yeah. I want to know, you guide me. I watch the sunrise paint the sky, wondering how the days go by. Every road has a story to show. There's so much in this life to know. Every smile can change the day, every word can light the way. Step by step we learn and grow, following where the good winds blow. Open your heart, don't be afraid, every dream is gently made. Truth and kindness help us grow. That's the path I want to know. I want to know, I want to know, where the rivers of love still flow. I want to know, I want to know, how to help the whole world grow, with open hands and a hopeful soul. Together we can reach our goal. Listen closely to the breeze, feel the rhythm through the trees. Every heartbeat tells a song, reminding us where we belong. Share your light with everyone, shine as bright as the morning sun. One small act can plant a seed, growing into all we need. Let the reggae rhythm play, wash our worries all away. One love rising strong and free, just the way life's meant to be. Yeah, I want to know, I want to know, how to let more kindness grow. I want to know, I brighter future starts today. Truth will rise like morning light, shining through the darkest night. Hope is stronger when we trust, walking forward with more justice. More justice, more unity, building hope for every family. More justice, let freedom grow. Plant the seeds that love will sow. One heart, one voice, one dream for all. Together we stand, together we call. More justice, let the whole world see. Peace begins with you and me. No matter where the journey leads, love is found in simple deeds. Every smile can heal a pain, like gentle sunshine after rain. Raise your head and don't look back. Keep your feet upon the track. With compassion as our guide, we'll cross every changing tide. Oh, let the truth remain, healing hearts and easing pain. Let the children sing, hope is such a precious thing. More justice, more unity, building hope for every family. More justice, let freedom grow. Plant the seeds that love will sow. One heart, one voice, one dream for all. Together we stand, together we call. More justice, let the whole world see. Peace begins with you and me. Keep the fire burning bright. Choose what's good, defend what's right. With every step and every choice, more justice starts with every voice. Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Roots woman, God bless your soul. Yeah. She watered she walks with the sunrise shining in her eyes, carrying hope beneath the endless skies. Every little smile is a healing song, teaching every heart where love belongs. She plants good seeds in the morning light, turning every struggle into something bright. With gentle hands and a fearless soul, she reminds the world that love makes us whole. Oh, roots woman, Don't lose your way, your light keeps rising every day. Stand so tall like the ancient tree, growing strong in harmony. Roots woman, queen of the earth and the morning sun. Whoa. Roots woman, your love keeps shining on everyone. Peace in your heart, hope in your smile. You're making this world brighter all the while. Every child hears the songs you sing, simple words with a joyful ring. You lift up dreams when the days are gray, showing kindness in your own sweet way. Like the rivers flow into the sea, you remind us all to live free. One love growing hand in hand, building tomorrow across the land. Let the drums beat slow tonight, fill the air with truth and light. Raise your voice, let the good vibes run. Together we shine beneath one sun. Roots woman, keeper of hope till the day is done. Oh, roots woman, your spirit glows like a rising sun. From every mountain to every shore, your message of love lives forevermore. Roots woman, one love, one heart. Roots woman, Jah guide your journey. Roots woman, fade away. Oh yeah. Wild world, keep the faith. Every morning brings another dawn. Life keeps moving, the night is gone. Roads may twist and rivers may bend, still we rise and begin again. Every face has a story to tell, through peaceful days and storms as well. Hand in hand we can stand so strong, finding hope where we all belong. Don't let fear steal your light away, keep your spirit bright each day. Every step is a brand new start, carry love inside your heart. Wild world, still there's beauty all around. Wild world, let your kindness be the sea, showing how life is meant to be. Share your laughter, share your song, help each other carry on. Small good deeds can light the way, making brighter every day. Let the bassline roll so deep, promises we're here to keep. Raise your voice beneath the sun, together we stand as one wide world. Wide world, let compassion lead the way. Wide world, brighter with each passing day. Rise up. Rise up. Oh yeah. Oh na 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 na. Another sunrise, another chance. Time to move, time to advance. Leave the doubts upon the shore. Open up a brand new door. Feel the rhythm in your soul. Every heartbeat makes you whole. Step by step, don't turn around. New beginnings can be found. Lift your eyes, embrace the day. Let your spirit find its way. Every mountain can be climbed with a hopeful heart and mind. Break out, break out. Let your light shine all around. Oh, break out, break out. Stand your feet on solid ground. One love leading every stride. Hope and courage by your side. Oh, winds may blow and rains may fall, still we answer every call. Through the valleys, over hills, faith and kindness stronger still. Share your blessings, lend a hand. Together we can heal the land. Every dream begins to grow when we let our true heart show. Let the reggae rhythm roll. Lift the body, free the soul. Every voice can sing as one, underneath the same bright sun. Oh, break out, break out. Leave the fear and walk in peace. Break out, break out. Let the joy and laughter increase. From the mountains to the sea, love will be our victory. spirit with a brand new day. Golden morning on the open sea. Every little breeze sets my soul free. Birds keep singing in the tallest tree. Nature writes its melody. Every heartbeat finds the groove. To the reggae rhythm we all move. Leave the worries far behind. Fill your heart with peace of mind. Every sunrise brings a chance. Lift your soul and join the dance. Hello sunshine, shine on me. Fill my heart with harmony. Hello sunshine, bright and true. Every day feels fresh and new. One love flowing through the air. Hope and joy are everywhere. Children laughing in the streets. Simple moments, life so sweet. Neighbors smiling as they pass. Building futures that will last. Mountains standing proud and high. Clouds go drifting through the sky. Every blessing, great or small, there's enough to share with all. Let the bassline carry us. Gentle rhythms full of trust. Raise your voice beneath the blue. Every dream can still come true. Hello sunshine, warm and bright. Guide us with your golden light. Hello sunshine, stay a while. Fill the world with every smile. One heart, one love. Hand in hand, together we'll heal every land. Yeah, yeah, hello sunshine, keep on shining. God bless every day. Fade away. Yeah, yeah. Oh no, you're guiding me. Hey, yeah. I want to know, you're guiding me. I watch the sunrise paint the sky, wondering how the days go by. Every road has a story to show. There's so much in this life to know. Every smile can change the day. Every word can light the way. Step by step we learn and grow, following where the good winds blow. Open your heart, don't be afraid. Every dream is gently made. Truth and kindness help Feel the rhythm through the trees. Every heartbeat tells a song, reminding us where we belong. Share your light with everyone. Shine as bright as the morning sun. One small act can plant a seed, growing into all we need. Let the reggae rhythm play, wash our worries all away. One love rising strong and free, just the way life's meant to be. I want to know, I want to know how to let more kindness grow. I want to know, I want to know how to let true friendship show. One heart beating side by side, with hope and peace our constant guide. I want to know. One love, Jah bless the journey. Fade away. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah. No, 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 no. Oh, yeah. Wake up early with the morning sun. A brand new day has just begun. Every voice deserves to be heard. Every promise kept in every word. Stand together, hand in hand, building peace across the land, with kindness leading everywhere. A brighter future starts today. Truth will rise like morning light, shining through the darkest night. Hope is stronger when we trust, walking forward with more justice. More justice, more unity, building hope for every family. More justice, let freedom grow, plant the seeds that love will sow. One heart, one voice, one dream for all. Together we stand, together we call. More justice, let the whole world see. Peace begins with you and me. Oh, hey, yo, 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 yo. No matter where the journey leads, love is found in simple deeds. Every smile can heal a pain, like gentle sunshine after rain. Raise your head and don't look back. Keep your feet upon the track. With compassion as our guide, we'll cross every changing tide. Oh, let the truth remain, healing hearts and easing pain. Oh, let the children sing. Hope is such a precious thing. lost with the sunrise shining in her eyes, carrying hope beneath the endless skies. Every little smile is a healing song, teaching every heart where love belongs. She plants good seeds in the morning light, turning every struggle into something bright. With gentle hands and a fearless soul, she reminds the world that love makes us whole. Oh, roots woman, don't lose your way. Your light keeps rising every day. Stand so tall like the ancient tree, growing strong in harmony. Roots woman, roots woman, queen of the earth and the morning sun. Roots woman, roots woman, your love keeps shining on everyone. Peace in your heart, hope in your smile. You're making this world brighter all the while. Yeah. Every child hears the songs you sing, simple words with a joyful ring. You lift up dreams when the days are gray, showing kindness in your own sweet way. Like the rivers flowing to the sea, you remind us all to live free. One love growing hand in hand, building tomorrow across the land. Let the drums beat slow tonight, fill the air with truth and light. Raise your voice, let the good vibes run. Together we shine beneath one sun. Hey, roots woman, roots woman, keeper of hope till the day is done. Roots woman, roots woman, your spirit glows like the rising sun. From every mountain to every shore, your message of love lives forevermore. Yeah, yeah. Roots woman, one love, one heart, Jah guide your journey. Oh yeah. Oh, wide world, keep the faith. Yeah, na 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 na. No, 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 no. Oh, why? Every morning brings another dawn. Life keeps moving, the night is gone. Roads may twist and rivers may bend, still we rise and begin again. Every face has a story to tell. Through peaceful days fear steal your light away. Keep your spirit bright each day. Every step is a brand new start. Carry love inside your heart. Wild world, wild world. Still there's beauty all around. Wild world, wild world. Let your kindness be the sound. Through every season, through every sky, hope keeps growing, reaching high. Mountains stand through wind and rain. Fields grow green again and again. Every sunset paints the sea, showing how life is meant to be.